Assalamualaikum and hi. Today we are going to learn chapter 6, ratio and graph of trigonometric function. So our learning standard today is draw graphs of trigonometric function, and next we are going to compare and contrast the characteristics of the graph. Okay, I draw this y-axis and x-axis. So this is my y, this is my x-axis. And then from 0 degree, I draw my head. Okay. And it looks like this. And my tail is going to end at 360 degree. So in the middle is the center, the midpoint from 0 degree to 360 degree. So it has to be 180 degree. Okay, next, my maximum value is this point, which is 1, and my minimum value is here, -1. So the next thing you should know is my maximum value is at 90 degree and my minimum value is at 270 degree. So let's fill in the blank here. So our maximum value, yes, it is 1. And then my minimum value is the lowest peak is here. X-intercept. X-intercept is when my sine graph intersect with the x-axis. So first it intersect here, see at 0 degree. Next, the graph of sine intersect here at 180 degree, and last one, my sine graph intersect at 360 degree. Let's look at y-intercept. At 0 value, 0 unit at y-axis. Okay, next let's have a look at the cosine graph. Okay, first we draw the y and x-axis. Okay, and I always say in class, the graph looks like a cup or U. Okay, so it starts from here. Okay, and go down here and go up again, and it finish. So my at the initial point it is 0 degree, and my end point is 360 degree, and in the middle is 180 degree. And then the point here must be the midpoint from 0 to 180 degree, which is 90 degree. And the point here is the midpoint from 180 to 360 degree, which is 270 degree. Okay, next let's talk about the maximum value. So my maximum value is here, which is 1, and here. My minimum value is here, which is at -1. Okay, and then let's have a look at the characteristic. We have maximum value, x-intercept and y-intercept. So maximum value, we know it is here at 1. Okay, and the minimum value is here at -1. Okay, x-intercept is where the cos graph intersect at x-axis. So the first one, it intersects at 90 degree and 270 degree. And the y-intercept is where my cos graph intersect at y-axis. It intersect at unit 1 unit, at the value of 1. Okay, then we have a look at y equals to tangent x graph. So first, we need to know that we have 3 sections here, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, at the first section, my graph go up from 0 degree and above, but it doesn't touches the yellow line of 90 degree. And then my second graph, my second part, my second section, the tangent graph intercept at 180 degree, but still it doesn't touch the yellow line of 90 degree and the yellow line of 270 degree, but it doesn't touches the yellow line of 270 degree. So what is the maximum value? So the maximum value, as you can see, is infinity, because it doesn't touch any value there. Okay, also here the maximum value, and then we look at the minimum value, also the same, it is infinity, because it doesn't touch the 90 degrees, so it doesn't know where it can go down deeper. Okay, also negative infinity. And the x-intercept is where the graph intercept at the x-axis is at 0 degree, 180 degree, and at 360 degree. And the y-intercept is where the graph intersect at y-axis, so it intersect at 0. Okay, that's all for now. Okay, this is teknik menjawab lah. Okay, kita lukis dulu y equals to sin x, di mana x more than 0 degree, less than or equal to 360 degree. So, mula dari kosong. Okay, this is the maximum value, this is the minimum value, and this is our midpoint, and here is our last point. Okay, so our sine graph will look like this. Okay, start at 0 degree and stop at 360 degree, and the maximum value is at 90 degree, and the minimum value is at 270 degree. So the question asks you to sketch the graph for y equals to sin x, where x more than 90 degree, less than or equal to 270 degree. Meaning that we only need to sketch the graph from here to here. Okay, so how do we draw it? So we are going to draw it like this. So we draw again our graph. Okay, here is 1, here is -1. So now the graph starts from here and it ends to here. Okay, where here now is 90 degree. Okay, and the last point is 270 degree. In the middle is 180 degree. So we still follow this graph. Okay, it goes down from here, maximum value, and then it intercept at 180, and then it ends here at the minimum value. Okay, so that is our graph for y equals to sin x, where x more than or equal to 90 degree, less than or equal to 270 degree. Next question, 2b. Sketch the graph for y equals to cos x, where x more than 45 degree, less than or equal to 25 degree. Remember, when it asks you to sketch the graph, you draw the original graph you learned. Okay, which is we start from 0, the middle is 180, and at the end is 360 degree. We have the maximum of 1, minimum value of -1. Okay, so here it is intercept at 90 degree and 270 degree. So when it say x more than or equal to 45 degree and 225 degrees. So we need to check here, where is 45 degree? Okay, we need to check here. Where is 45 degree? So 45 degree must be in the middle here. Okay, and then 225 degree must be in the middle of 180 to 270. Okay, so meaning that we are going to draw our graph from this point until this point only. Okay, this region only. Okay, but it starts from 45 degrees. So let's draw our graph. Okay, we draw again y and x-axis. Okay, now we start from 45 degree is going to be here, and our end is 225 degree. Okay, first we need to know that our maximum value is 1 and negative 1. We need to know which coordinate we need to mark. Okay, the first one here, okay, is just below 1 for y coordinate, and the x coordinate is 45. So here x coordinate is 45 and just below 1. Okay, and then it goes through 90 degree. Let's say 90 degree is here, so it goes through here, and then it goes down to here. Okay, where 180 degree is negative 1 here. Okay, let's say 180 degree is here. So it touches here, and then it goes up a bit to this coordinate. Okay, where y-axis doesn't make negative 1, it is before negative 1, so it can be here, and because the x-axis is 225, so we connect the dots. Okay, so that is our answer.